How to fix your LG TV is on, but the screen is black. So if you can see the standby or the power light on your television, but the screen remains black, I'm going to show you exactly how to go and solve this issue. Now all we need to do is a quick power cycle on the device. So the first thing you need to do is go and disconnect any external devices going to your television. So this could be any HDMI cables or basically any cable going to the television itself. Make sure to go in, disconnect all of these. Now once you've done that, you're going to come round to the main power supply and you're also going to unplug this from the wall socket like so. Now you'll need to leave this unplugged for around about 45 seconds, and at the same time of this being unplugged, you need to come round to the physical TV unit. Now go and locate the power button on the actual device. Usually this will be found just underneath the LG logo. So once you've found this button, go and hold this down for around about 30 seconds. Now this will drain any residual power that could be left in the device. Once you've done this, you can go in, release the button. You can then re-plug your television back into the wall socket. Make sure all of your external devices like your HDMI cables, make sure you leave these disconnected. Now try turning on your television and that should have solved the black screen issue. Now if your TV is now turning on, you can try reconnecting your devices one by one. Sometimes there can be a faulty HDMI cable that's causing the black screen. So that's it guys, let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.